We are approaching general elections. We, as a conference, call upon all politicians, all their supporters, and all parties to maintain peace in this country. We also want to be very clear that no political party should do things as if they own any part of this country. You should not. Malawians voted in this country for a multi-party system of government. Mr. President, I think also try to make sure that MEC deals with this issue of rumor after rumor about doubts of the work of MEC, some equipment that they are going to use. The problem is that even one who genuinely has lost would blame the whole system on this ground. It's like, you know, we Africans here, even if you have died of AIDS or something, and you know that it's AIDS, you